As we know, the 20th anniversary of Harry Potter just passed.
Family, and we will always be part of each other's life.
Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to craft your very own paper Harry Potter wand. Let's get into it. A little bit sick, so bear with me. These are the materials you're going to need. Hot glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, 2 pieces of printer paper, 8.5 by 11, some paintbrushes, tape, I recommend masking tape, Mod Podge, and acrylic paint, any color your wizardry desires. Awesome, so first we're going to twist and roll the paper vertically, that's the long ways, to get that nice tight wand shape. Leave a little bit of excess out so we could go ahead and hot glue that down like so. Boom, we got our wand. So you can leave it here if that's your desired length. I'm going to go ahead and extend mine. I'm going to cut this piece of paper in half like so. Take the half of the paper, a little bit of hot glue to get started. We're going to go ahead and roll this around the end of the wand to make it a little bit longer. A little bit of tape to secure it and make it smooth. Again, I recommend using masking tape for this. Great, now the other half of the paper we're going to go ahead and rip and tear it up. We're going to stuff the inside of the wand with this extra piece of paper. This is going to give it strength and stability. Now to close off both ends of the wands, we're going to fill it up with hot glue. This is a little bit dangerous, so I recommend if you're younger, get a parent or guardian to help you out with this. You want to have fun and you don't want to burn yourself making these wands, so keep on twisting while it's cooling down. It's going to give it a nice rounded edge. Same thing for the top. Now that both ends are fully closed off and rounded, we're going to go ahead and detail the wand like so with hot glue once again. Now there's no real way to mess this up because no wand is perfect, but I recommend practicing on a piece of paper and a piece of cardboard, just drawing out designs with the hot glue. You're probably wondering, wait, when did he do that? Don't worry, I'm going to teach you guys. I'm giving the handle a little bit of texture. This is similar to Harry's wand in the films. We're going to go ahead and run hot glue like so. Just some little streaks, and then we're going to go ahead and dab it. Keep dabbing as it's cooling down. You're going to see texture right before your eyes. It's pretty cool. Sorry, I forgot to film the extra part, but we're going to go ahead and coat this with a layer of Mod Podge. That's going to give everything one nice uniform look, and it's going to seal it. Then we're going to go ahead and put a base layer of black like so, black acrylic paint. Now it's dry brushing time. We're going to go ahead and dip your paintbrush in the desired color, dab it in the paint like so. Then we're going to go ahead and keep dabbing, get all of that paint off. And you're going to see you're not going to have that much paint on it at first. That's what you want. Let it dry. We're going to keep building up layers and layers and layers, and then before you know it, you're going to have nice, awesome texture. Following the same technique for the handle, I'm going to dip it in the paint, then get most of it off the paintbrush, and then just keep streaking it and dabbing it on. It's not a lot, but it's very subtle, but it goes a long way. I'm going to keep building up layers and layers of different colors, different shades. The more subtle layers you can build up, the more realistic it's going to look. Awesome, now I'm going to move into the final detailing phase. The hot glue details are already there, you just got to color over it. I'm going to go ahead and use paint markers, Posca pens, a little bit easier to control. The pigment is already there, you're going to worry about coverage, it's good to go. And you're done, ready to cast some spells. And with a few simple steps, you guys got your very own Harry Potter DIY wands. Thank you guys so much for checking out this tutorial. Go ahead, get crafty, make some wands, cast some spells. Tag me in any videos on TikTok or photos on Instagram. If you guys made a couple of these, I'd love to check them out. Start off basic, and the more and more you guys craft these, the more advanced you can get with the hot glue. Thank you guys again. Check you on the next video.